Hey guys, it's Jake here with eTrailer. Today I'm going to show you how to drain your hot water heater. There's 4 steps that you're going to need to take when draining your hot water heater. The first is going to be make sure you shut off all water sources and let your hot water heater cool down. Along with that, you're going to need to turn off all of the power sources leading to your, or the switches leading to your hot water heater. So there's going to be usually a switch on the outside on the hot water heater and then a switch on the inside by your control panel. The third thing you're going to need to do is switch on your pressure relief valve, which you could normally just pull slowly. You can see water coming out. Just hold that until water is no longer coming out. You want to leave it open. And now we're ready to take off the plug at the bottom. So to remove it, usually it's going to be an 1 1/16 socket, but yours may be a little different, so you just have to get the right socket for you. And then just slowly open it up. And we're not going to have any back pressure on this plug because our pressure release valve is open. See, we can. Another indication that you need to rinse out your tank is that you can actually see the scaling in the bottom of our bucket here. This is our anode rod. Our anode rod is just about shot, which is why you see all this residue coming out of the actual tank itself. The anode rod is designed to take the brunt force of the actual calcium buildup and the buildup on the inside. It's designed to attack this and not your tank itself. The last step is going to be to replace your anode rod or your plug. Now, if your anode rod looks anything like ours, you're not going to want to put this back in. But after you've replaced your plug, you need to turn off your pressure relief valve, and then you're all set. Hopefully this video was able to help you in draining your hot water heater. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.